I know what's up there. That's living hell. I think for Christmas, I know what I'm asking for some Enduro skills. That there just about wiped me out. This ain't the same trail I was on. So I might as well ride it out, see where it goes. Whoa, the black snake. So if he's out, you know, them rattling kind are out here. But I don't think, I'm trying to think, is it copperhead or rattlesnakes that don't like the same area as black snakes? I could be wrong, I don't know my snakes. So, I mean, I know what they are, but I don't know. He's a good length one too. He's probably 4 foot. All stretched out, he looks like a stick laying there. It's funny, I was just down in the parking lot talking to a guy who hunts, and he said about he's seen a long black snake the other day in the parking lot down there, and because he's going around checking his trail cameras, and it's funny, I come up top here and see a 4 footer there. Yep, he's just laying there. I'm surprised he ain't in the sun more. Looking pretty skinny though. He's probably 1, 2, 3, 3.5 maybe. See his little head moving there. Alright, moving on. I ain't here to mess with anything. Unless I fall over on this rock right into him. Still laying back there. Cool. I never thought the stock, not the stock map, but the map that came with the bike for hard terrain, I didn't know what it meant by hard terrain, so I'd figure I'd give it a try. And actually, I've tried all the Singletrack ones, even the Kiefer ones, and I can't find one to control the rocks, riding the rocks. never, this last trail time I rode this trail, I fought tooth and nail, stalling every couple minutes because of the rocks. I try to stand up when I can, but that rock back there, pointy one, looks like a freaking spoke breaker.